This is Lenny Farlee, Purdue University Extension Forester. Now let's ID that tree. In this edition of ID That Tree, we're going to introduce you to a group of climbing vines found across Indiana that are native to the state and found on a variety of different sites, and that is the greenbriers. Greenbrier genus is Smilax, and it is distantly related to the lilies. Greenbriers have these very distinctive oblong leaves with leaf veins that closely follow and kind of follow the arc of the outside edge of the leaf itself. You can see the leaf is smooth on the outside edge, so no teeth. It has alternate leaf arrangement and tendrils growing out from where the leaves meet the stems, and so that's one of the techniques it uses to climb on trees and shrubs. These stems are also green typically year-round, as long as the stems are alive. We're in October now, and so the fruit is being held on greenbrier. This is pretty typical of what I see across Indiana, as a very dark, round fruit on greenbrier. Variable amounts of fruitfulness. This particular one is getting some sunshine, and so it's actually producing a fair amount of fruit. Greenbrier can almost look evergreen in some cases, but it does ultimately lose its leaves in the winter. One of the other characteristics for greenbrier is thorniness on the stems. And so what we oftentimes find is a variability in terms of how many thorns are found on the stems. But it can be actually quite thorny and quite variable in terms of how many thorns, how long they are, and what color. These particular ones are long, thin, and black with many smaller thorns on the stem. I also see some stems that have green thorns that are stouter as well. So greenbrier, one of our native climbing vines that actually does produce a fair amount of wildlife value in terms of both food and cover.